Welcome to Greco Architectural Railings, the leaders in North America since 1991. We design, engineer, and manufacture the highest quality of architectural railing systems throughout Canada and the United States. Our customers and projects are broad and diverse. Our products are used in all types of buildings, from simple residential to complex commercial high-rise structures, in both new construction and renovation projects. Our portfolio of architectural railing products include glass railings, picket railings, and panel railing systems with virtually unlimited design options. Designers can create one-of-a-kind railing systems by selecting their choice of top rail profiles, infill options of glass, pickets or metal panels, slab covers, decorative patterns, and standard or custom colors. Our technical support team works with designers and contractors, offering the best products for each job. We manage the coordination, delivery, and installation of all our products to make sure we always meet the project requirements and deadlines. All of our products are fabricated in-house with state-of-the-art manufacturing equipment, including a multi-stage automated powder coat paint line that provides an uncompromised, durable, and aesthetically pleasing finish on all of our aluminum products. Our extensive buying power and discipline to detail on project requirements, specifications, and site conditions make us the most cost-competitive railing manufacturer in North America, offering our clients the best value in price, quality, and reliability. Our vision is simple: to be the leader in design, engineering, and manufacturing of the best architectural railing systems throughout North America. Greco railings have been the choice of owners, designers, and general contractors for over 20 years. We're proud of our heritage, our people, our work, and our relationships with our customers. For more information on what we do and who we are, visit us at www.grecorailings.com or feel free to call us today at 800-363-7245.